5 minutes later, next video. Should have seen it a few minutes ago with all the seabirds that were here. Some of them are huge. I think that's one right there on that roof over there. I had a loaf of Dave's Killer bread that was past the date, and I just went shopping a couple days ago, and I bought more of Dave's Killer bread because it's fantastic, but I wasn't going to play with it after the expiration date, so I gave it to the birds. They're eating it down there right now. I don't know if the camera can see through the mesh, but there's a lot of starlings are feeding at the moment, and some brown birds. There's got some ravens and crows, and then you got I think they're ravens. Crows are a lot bigger. See how small? They're not that big. They're black birds, but they're, see? I think that's a raven. Reminds me of the birds I saw in Florida. They're supposed to be ravens. It looks like them right here. My cats love, especially Patches. Listen to her. Hear her meowing? Yeah, you know you're being filmed, don't you, sweetheart? She's so smart, too. She's being very full. Meow. 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 Oh, you too? Meow. Oh, they're all meow. Where's Simba? Simba's the only one. He's usually the vocal one. He's silent. He's hiding. He's hiding while the ladies are up front meowing away. Isn't that funny? Here going? Man, it's so cold. It's 36 degrees. The frost just melted off the roof over there. But I am freezing. My feet are freezing, and I'm gonna call them all in a minute. It's damn cold out here. Meow, Patches. Meow. What's up, booty cats? You see the birds? You see them? Meow. Listen to it. Meow. She's looking up there. There you go. Oh, I am freezing. It is cold. Yeah, my guts are starting to get tight. Alright. I'm starting to shiver. Hypothermia and frostbite setting in. Time to go inside and warm up. Come on, pussycat.